So that backup class is over. Okay, now we are going to do normal class, like regular. I'm going to reset everything. So far what we have done, we have learned about few tools, right? So we learned about system requirements, and we learned about some colors like previously we learned about hue, saturation, brightness. Hue means color, saturation means the amount of color, means whether there is no color or color. So saturation, brightness. So you can remember this triangle. Hue is the main color. There are tints, tones, and shades in color. For example, you know, right? You can mix red with white color, red with black color, red with gray color. So when you mix colors in Photoshop, so in Photoshop colors are here, okay? This box. Left side down there is box here, this box. So you can mix red color, there is red hues, blue, magenta, green, cyan, yellow, orange, like that. Many hues are there. So any hue, hue means color. Any hue you can mix with red, sorry, any hue you can mix with white, gray, black, or pure color. Okay, saturated color, unsaturated color. So it's like this, colors are like this. These colors look very dull, right? These are unsaturated colors, 50% saturation. Saturated colors means this will be pure red, 100% red. If it is 50% red, then you are going to mix white in that. So it is less saturated. So that things you can control here. In this color box, you can control hue, saturation, brightness. Hue is the main color. Saturation is the amount of color, whether it is color or no color. Brightness also there. So there is saturation slider, there is hue slider. Okay, by default you will be in hue slider. You can keep it to saturation and brightness when it is required, or you can just use the boxes when it is required. Okay, and there are RGB colors. You can see red, green, and blue channels. Yeah, teal colors. So as I told you, any image, digital image, like TV,
No?
screen,
No.
so when you take a closer look at any TV, what do you see? These patterns. It's RGB pattern. So any image, any digital image is made up of RGB channels, red, green, and blue colors. Colors and channels, both are same. Channels means colors. The primary colors are red, green, and blue in digital image. For a print, it will be CMYK. So when you're filling colors, you can use RGB colors or CMYK colors here. So take a closer look here in this color box. This is a color picker actually, not color box. This is called color picker. And also bracket there is foreground color picker. It's called foreground color picker. Just remember it is a color picker. In Photoshop, color picker is like this. Okay. So you can use anything from here. Whatever it is, final result is you are picking some color. Okay. Use any options as per your requirement. You can use HSB, hue, saturation, and brightness values. RGB, red, green, and blue values. Mix red, green, and blue in different values. You get different colors. You can mix CMYK colors also. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. You can mix these colors also. And you have LAB colors also. Okay, LAB is different purpose. I will explain that later. So you have LAB colors and you have hexadecimal color coding also here. This is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal color code. Okay. This one. What is hexadecimal? What is decimal? Anyone? Any from mathematics background? Anyone completed 10th class? Huh? Completed 10th class, everyone?
Decimal number means a number with, uneven number. It doesn't have exact value. Decimal means the number which starts with, which will be in points.
0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. Till F, 0 to 9 till F, A, B, C, D, F. So A means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 16 numbers. Hexadecimal means 16 numbers in total. 0 to 15 is 16 numbers. That's it. Decimal means 10 numbers. We are using 10 numbers only, 10 fingers. We count 10. Our number system is 10. We count 1, 2, 3, 10, right? So 10 numbers. Computers count 16 numbers. That's why they are smart. Okay. Photoshop Class 10. I'm just recapping everything. Okay, this is already done. Color picker. So decimal number system runs from 0 to 10. We use 10 numbers. Hexadecimal uses 16 numbers. We don't use numbers here. Instead of after 10, after decimal, means this, till here it is decimal. This is the hexa, 6. Hexa means 6. Okay. Hexa means 6. Decimal means 10. Hexadecimal means 6 plus 10, 16. Okay. These are A, B, C, D, E, F. These 6 numbers. These are 10 numbers, hexadecimal. So there is a color code which uses hexadecimal numbers, means A, B, B, C, C, like that. Some numbers will be there. So that will define the color value. Here RGB values are there. Red, green, blue values. These numbers ranges from, there is a range here, 256 colors. Here also 256 colors. The maximum value will be actually 0 to 255. That's total 256, including 0. 0 to 255. That's the range. Red value range is 0 to 255. You can enter any value. You can enter 0 to 255 in each channel. So here you can put 255, here you can put 255, here also 255. So what happens if I put everything 255? I'll get, if I mix all colors, what color I will get? If I mix every color, black, no, white. Mixture of all colors is white. Okay. If I mix everything 255, I'll get white. If I put everything 0, no color. No color means black. Okay. If I put everything half valued, 128, 128, 128, gray. Correct. Half color is gray. So if I mix only red 255, green 0, blue 0, there are variety of combinations. If I put, let's see that. Okay. If I open this color box, and if I enter 255, I'm getting 100% red. Half is, so no need to worry about that. Make the brightness half, that's half red. Or make the saturation half, 50%. Here it is measured percentage. Okay, here it is measured the direct value from 0 to 256 shades, 0 to 255 shades. Okay, 255 numbers, half is 128 or 127 actually. It's not 128, 127. Middle point. So when I put 127, automatically this comes to 50, this comes to 50 again. If I put this one to 255, automatically this saturation got to 75, brightness got to 100. So those values are automatically linked. If you change one, other one will automatically change. You can use any one system. You can use RGB or CMYK or HSB or hexadecimal. Any one system you follow. Okay. So most of the common people, most of the people in this industry follow hexadecimal code. Okay, hexadecimal is a straightforward number. You can directly enter. There is no 3 columns, 1 column only. Okay, so in hexadecimal, it is like this: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Ranges from FF till FF. Maximum is FF, right? So it's like this. First 2 digits for red color. This is for green. This is for blue. Got it? Like here we have separate column for red. But in hexadecimal number, first 2 digits are 0, 0 to FF. Okay. If I keep all F, that is white. If I keep all 0, that is black. In between, half is 8. 8, right? What is the half of 16? Half of 16 is 8. If I put all 8, it's going to be gray color. Understood that thing? So if I want gray color, I will put all 8. Correct? What color I got here? Gray. If I put all FF, 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 white. All zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, black. If I put here FF 0, 0, 0, 0, red is full, F is the maximum number. All are 0. So here entering 255, here entering FF 0, 0, 0, 0, both are same. Got it? If I enter 255 here, this 255 is equal to another 2FF. Got it? Here if I put 255, that is equal to FF again. So it's going to automatically adjust them. So when you know the color values, enter them. When you don't know, pick them. Pick it. If you are combining colors on your own, pick the colors as you like. But for humans, color is not value. For only computers, color is a value. For us, we think color as color only. If we red means red only for us. It's not any value. We don't remember values, right? So we see what is beautiful to our eye. What is beautiful for our feeling, right? Colors has feelings. Yeah, come. Okay. So different color combinations, color theory, color schemes. Understand color schemes first. Variety of color schemes, 3 color schemes mainly. When you are combining colors, people categorize into 3 main color schemes. One is monochromatic, monochromatic color scheme. Three mainly, okay? 3 main schemes. Monochromatic color scheme. Actually, monochromatic is supposed to be one word. Okay? Mono and chromatic is 2 words or 1 word. Okay, I will put hyphen. Monochromatic color scheme. What is mono means? Mono means single. Chroma means, have you gone to chroma anytime? Chromatic, chroma means color. Okay, hue, color, color is color, chroma also color. Okay. monochroma means what? Single color. Yeah, single color scheme. If you are using only one color in your art or design, that is monochromatic scheme. Okay, what's the scheme? Monochromatic. So let's see this one. Monochromatic schemes goes like this. Monochromatic color scheme using red, dark red, and bright red. Only red. So if you see any art, something like this, mostly for interior designers, they use paint of monochromatic, only single color. Yeah. So entire room is designed using one single color, blue. White is not color, black is not color. If you see chroma means color. So there is no black, okay? There's no white in the color chart. Okay. Mostly for interior designing, people use monochromatic. Even for web designing also, you can create a website which looks only single, monotone, monochromatic. Okay, if you are using only one single color, that is called monochromatic. That's it. So there are variety of applications you can use in your costume designing. You can use that colors in web designing. When you're designing interior also, you can apply the same color schemes. Wherever you are designing, think about the scheme, which scheme you are going to put. You can take the main color, pink, and pink shades, okay, and tints. Single color and its shades, tints, tones. Okay, shades means dark color, tints means light color, tones means gray colors, medium colors. Okay, shade ante dark anamata, dark. Tint means lighter colors. Tones means medium colors, mid. Excuse me. Okay, the first color scheme is monochromatic color scheme. So monochromatic paintings. Okay, using single color, people used to paint. That is monochromatic scheme. Okay, some people use coffee as their medium. The people paint with tea. I've seen people like that. So single color, only green, lighter green, darker green. Means green, green tint, green shade, green tones. Monochromatic. Monochromatic. All arts are monochromatic here. Using single color. Some people like monochromatic. Okay, some clients will like monochromatic. Depending upon your requirement, go for a monochromatic scheme. Okay. Second one, analogous. Analogous color scheme. Third one, I'll write it, otherwise I'll forget. Complementary. Complementary color scheme. Yes, come. Our class is from 8:30. 8:30. Analogous color scheme. Nearby colors in a color wheel. Okay. Have you seen color wheel anytime? Color adobe.com. Color.adobe.com. You go here, you see all the schemes here. Don't worry. If you don't remember also, you can open this website. I'll give the reference to know how many schemes are there. Color.adobe.com to refer for the color wheel. Okay. Color wheel means this one. This is the color wheel. These are the only colors we can see in your computer. There is no other colors than this one. Whatever color you see in a picture, these colors only. It's categorized like this in these wheels. So there are schemes like this. Main schemes I'm explaining. Okay. There are schemes like analogous color scheme, monochromatic color scheme, triad you forget. Another one is complementary color scheme. Triad is different, split complementary is different. They all are a combination of these three only. The main color schemes are monochromatic, single color, analogous, multiple colors but nearby colors. Complementary colors are opposite colors. Okay, complementary colors are opposite colors in a color wheel. Opposite colors means not whatever is opposite to me. One color is opposite to another color in a color wheel. There is a color wheel. You have to remember this color wheel. This wheel is important. So this wheel is very important when you're designing. All the colors are plotted here. And you see red color is opposite of which color? Green color. Red and green are opposite sides. Yellow and blue are opposite sides. Have you seen RGB here? Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Make a triangle. Red, green, blue. Just make a triangle. Like this. Okay? And CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow makes another triangle. It's like a star. One triangle is connecting to RGB, another triangle is connecting to cyan, magenta, and yellow, CMYK. And you see RGB is opposite of CMYK here. Is that happening here? RGB is opposite, red is opposite of cyan. This way, look this way. Red is opposite of cyan, right? They are opposite actually. Blue is opposite of yellow. Green is opposite of magenta. RGB and CMYK are opposite colors also. Okay, if I write red, green, blue here, you can write CMY here. Forget about K. So these colors are opposite colors. The relation between these two colors are opposite. Okay, red is opposite of cyan, green is opposite of magenta, blue is opposite of yellow. It's opposite colors. So remember this color wheel, okay? Remember this. So in this color wheel, if you are using any two opposite colors, like if I put complementary, if I am using blue and yellow in my design, only yellows and blues, and yellow shades, yellow tints, yellow, all mixture of whites and grays, and blue shades, blue tints, and related to blue, whatever you can do blue, go with blue shades, go with yellow shades. If you are using only yellow and blue as main color, that is complementary. Complementary means opposite colors. Complementary color scheme. Complementary color scheme means example, yellow and blue. They are opposite colors. Okay, they are opposite colors in a color wheel. In a color wheel, they are opposite colors. Nearby colors, analogous colors means nearby colors. If you are using yellow and orange, and before yellow there will be green. Okay, there will be yellow, green, red. If you are using green, yellow, and red combinations, if you are using these combinations, one side of color wheel, one side green, yellow, and red are nearby colors. What is red? Next to yellow, there is red. Green, next to green, there is yellow. Okay, if you are using this color like this, analogous colors means nearby colors, greens, yellows, and orange. If you are using these colors, if you are combining, main color is yellow, and before yellow there is green, before after yellow there is reds. If you are using this combination of colors, that is analogous colors. If you put monochromatic, you are using one single color. If you are putting complementary, that is opposite colors. Triad also, like a triangle. Triad is the triangle. Okay, and you can check the different combinations are there. You can go with anything. The main things are analogous, monochromatic, and complementary. Other things are new generation designs. Okay, mainly when we learn art, we learn these three main things. Okay, so for example, I'll show you something. You tell me which color combination it is. Like IKEA logo. They are using two colors, right? They are not using one single color. They are using two colors. So which color scheme it is? Just now I told, check the notes. I written the notes now. Check here. Which color scheme? I written two colors, yellow and blue. If you are using yellow and blue, they are opposite colors, which means it is complementary colors. Got it? Complementary means opposite colors. IKEA is using complementary colors. Can you guess what is Flipkart using? Flipkart is using which colors? Marketing side you go, when you are marketing, designing for marketing and advertisement, go for complementary colors. They are attractive. Opposite colors are more attractive from the far. Okay, IKEA logo you can see from 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers also. Okay, opposite colors when you're designing, yellow, blues. Amazon, what is Amazon using? They're also marketing people, right? Amazon is using which color scheme? Amazon logo. Brown, check. What are the main colors here apart from orange? They're using white and black. Opposite colors, right? White and black, correct? White and black also falls under opposite colors. White and black. Black background, white text, or white background, black text. Or blue background, yellow text, or yellow background, blue text. Blue foreground. Okay. So if you are following this kind of opposite colors in the background and foreground, that is complementary color scheme, which goes for marketing, advertisements, ads, and banners, logos, etc. See, these all systems, all color schemes you can use anywhere. You can keep a black and white house also, right? You can use the colors in house also. That has different effect, because living room and all, we should keep pleasant colors. We should not keep harsh colors. It should not be more dangerous to our vision. Okay, opposite colors are more dangerous to our vision, because our brain cannot accept this kind of colors too much long time. Means if you look continuously to this logo, you get headache. Okay, we are not used to see colors like this. Nature is like this. If you see nature, it is almost analogous colors. Smooth colors, smooth transition between colors. One color is changing to another color smoothly. It's not suddenly changing. Opposite colors are suddenly changing. Like sudden change means hot and cold. Hot and cold, opposite. Sudden change in temperature, we cannot withstand, right? So smooth change in temperature, we can withstand. Smoothness between the color change is analogous. Complementary is sudden change. We are looking at the white, we are looking at the black also, correct? So both we have to take at a time. Both are opposite. So that is impossible. For a long time, you cannot see opposite colors. So where you are presenting your design, that you have to see. Is the designer looks the design continuously, or a designer looks the, sorry, not designer. Audience look the design only once or twice, should be kept black and white or yellow and blue, opposite colors. If you are designing something for an interior or something, any poster, make it analogous or monochromatic, which looks more pleasant. Monochromatic is single color. Watching a single color doesn't make too much hard for vision. It's pleasant. Watching one single color is easy for the eye and brain. Watching two colors, three colors is little tougher for the eye and brain. Okay. So depending upon this theory, you can apply your colors to the design. Okay. So cinema hero will wear opposite colors. Dress coding, right? So he should be standing out from the crowd. Correct? Mostly in South Indian movies, they'll be using red color, all the colors of the shirts, right? Attractive colors. So nature uses pleasant mixing of colors. You see yellow and green. Yellow and green is pleasant. It's a smooth transition. There is no sudden change in color. Cinematic colors are opposite colors. Cinematic colors are opposite. Orange and teal. Opposite colors are orange and teal, also opposite. Orange and teal. They are also opposite colors. Okay. Like this, orange and teal. Most of the movies you see these colors, oranges and teals. This color combination, opposite. It comes under yellow and blue category, right? Like that, opposite colors. You see these colors. If you look at the Transformers movie, which colors you are seeing mostly? Oranges and teals. Blues and yellows, opposite colors. Sky is blue and foreground is orange, like that. See, the background looks bluish. It's a color graded. Actually, in scene, that looks different. After going into color correction, the colors are graded. So foreground should be standing out from the background. So it should be opposite colors. Like this. Face looks oranges, background looks bluish. They kept blue lights or blue color correction behind it. Okay. So you check Matrix movie, Matrix. When it comes to movies also, color grading is done. Color schemes are applied. This looks like a monochromatic, like a only green everywhere. No other colors, green and black. Mostly green. Everywhere green, because that story needs that green color, because it's not a real story, it's a fictional story. Correct? When you look in movies, the colors will change according to the situation, the scene. When it is when you need warm or cool effect, people use different colors. There are some warm and cool colors. Like warm colors, red, orange, yellow. Cool colors, blues, what else remaining? Greens. Blue and green comes under cool colors. Red, orange, yellow comes under warm colors. Why warm? What is the color of fire? Red, orange, yellow. When we look at fire, we see these colors, so we relate these colors to fire. Red, orange, yellow are related to fire, so they are, we feel that they are warmer. Blue and green we relate to ice. Ice, peace. Ice actually. Blue and green we relate to ice. Ice looks blue, right? Ice. Not this Iceland, sorry. Okay, ice, snow, right? Snow mountain. So what are the colors you see here mostly? You see ice. Anywhere you take a picture of ice, you see blue. Ice looks a little bluish. Have you felt that any time? You try this. Okay. Water looks blue. Water is blue, right? Wherever you see water, it looks blue. Did you see water in blue color anywhere? Not in swimming pools. In sea and oceans, you see water as blue and greens. That is because water is cool and ice is cool. We relate these colors to cool colors, and red, orange, yellow we relate to fire, so they are warm colors. It's our understanding between nature and colors. So when do you need warm effect in movies? In the story, like in fighting scenes, in climax scenes, you need warm effect. Sometimes you need cool effect. So they use these colors as per the requirement of the story. Got it? So that's all about colors. Anything I left? Anything you understand? Anything you missed? Like anything you didn't understand? Monochromatic, analogous. Did you understand analogous scheme? Yeah. It's like this. In the color wheel, nearby colors. Okay, you see the examples, analogous color scheme. In painting, yellow, orange, red, you can use these colors in your painting, or greens, yellows and blues, you can use this one. These are analogous colors. So Autodesk logo, in logo designing also you can use these colors, analogous colors or complementary colors or monochromatic colors. So this logo uses multiple colors. Which falls under which category? You tell me now. Analogous colors. Why? Clear, right? Understood. Blue, green, yellow. Nearby colors. Is it not opposite colors? I'll confuse you. Okay. Blue and green are opposite or nearby colors? Put analogous. Put green, cyan as the main color. Main color is cyan. Green and blue are nearby colors. So that comes under these colors, right? Autodesk logo uses the below colors, these colors in different values. And when I combine like this, I got this color scheme. And what I'm seeing here, what is this? Hexadecimal code, like FFAADD, like this. And below you can see RGB values, red, green, and blue values, right? You can change this color mode to CMYK also if you need. You can change this to HSB. HSB means hue, saturation, and brightness. LAB colors also. Okay, same whatever you see in Photoshop, Adobe is giving extra option to combine the colors and see before you use it. Okay, here you can combine and see which all colors goes together. Like monochromatic means you use these colors. Maybe you take a pink as main color, and in your design you can use other pinks also. That combination is automatically produced. Use these colors, your design is good. Maybe use one color for background, one color for text, another color for some other purpose, like color correcting the photo. Okay, so it's combining automatically. Main color is pink, you can go to lighter or darker. You can pick any color from here. If you want to know exact value of this one, just copy this and paste it in Photoshop. Okay. So if you want to follow complementary colors, put complementary here. Then you see which is the main color. Main color, suppose I want yellow as the main color. Then what goes opposite? Blue. And I want a different yellow. I don't want pure yellow. So I want different yellow. Then what goes opposite? It comes here. It's automatically decided by the software, this tool. Color wheel, okay? Adobe color.com. So you can use this yellow and this background. It is the best opposite color. See, you can customize. If you feel this is wrong and if you feel something else is good, you can customize. There are some set of rules you can follow in the starting stage. When you reach a certain seniority level, you can use your own colors, which looks good for you. Okay. Say if I use red and green, what happens? If I use red and green, I can use them. I can use reds and greens also. They are also opposite colors. Okay. Orange and teal. Orange and teal. These colors are also opposite colors. So you can pick main color and opposite color from here. You can pick main color and its shades and tints from here. You can choose analogous colors from here. Main color you can keep yellow or lighter yellow. Automatically you combine them. Okay, like this. You can combine them. You can mix them. So this combination will choose the best possible way to apply colors. Okay, so you can use these colors in your design. So if I want these colors, copy this number. So if instead of copying RGB, red, green and blue, it's easy for me to copy this value. Got it? Hexadecimal is easy. If you want to copy red, green value, 3 times I have to copy paste. That's little time taking thing. So go to file, new, default photo size, click OK. Just for practice, 300. You put those colors here. Like I'm going to create a rectangle and I want to fill the color here. How to fill? Go to color picker, this one. Enter that value here, which I copied here, paste it and click OK. If you want to add them to swatches, you can add them. Add to swatches. Here swatches are there. If you want to add to swatches, click add and click OK. This color is added a new preset here. Okay. Add to swatches. Means next time onwards, you don't have to copy paste. You can click that swatch. Means if you are in some other color mode, you just click here, you will pick that color. If you pick this one, you are picking red color. Whatever color you want, you can directly go here into swatches and click. You can create your own swatches and keep it ready for your next designs. Okay. So I'm just drawing colors and filling that. So next color is this one. I'm filling this. Okay. I have to paste here and then how to fill? Alt backspace. I'm putting some rectangles, just rectangles and filling them. I'm just seeing how it looks in a page. I'm just testing the colors. So next one, this color. So this color I need to add to swatches. Add to swatches, click OK. Then put another one. Click OK. Alt backspace. Again, this one. a big box, paste here, add to swatches. Okay, so I can add to swatches this one. Next color, copy this value, click OK, rectangle. Okay, so this is the color combination. So you can use that for backgrounds, you can use that for foregrounds. If you want multiple backgrounds, you can use multiple colors for the backgrounds. Okay, like this. So on top of this, you can write text in white color or black color. That is different. Black and white are not colors. Okay, only colors is what you see in color wheel. Black is no color. When there is nothing, you see black. Black is no color in reality. White is mixture of all colors. White means mixture of all colors. Black means no color. Zero. Zero means no color. All colors, if you mix, you will get white. In between, you get all colors. So you try this color combinations and see that when you look at this design, some colors come forward, some colors go behind. Like there will be depth also. You see the colors. You look at the colors. Sometimes you feel that yellow is popping out and green is going little behind. That kind of feeling you will get. Are you getting that? You see that when you are using colors like blues, if I am using a blue color here or white color here, if I'm using white, okay, if I'm using black in combination with these colors, what happens? You test your colors yourself. Is the white popping out or is the black popping out in these colors? You combine the colors and check. Okay, when you see these colors are good, then go for the design. Test the colors first. Check for your eye. Okay, so if I put blue color here, if I put a blue color box or a bright yellow box, I put a bright yellow box. Which one looks on top? Which one looks under? Bright colors looks more forward. Bright colors. Dull colors look more backwards. Warm colors also look more forward. Cool colors look more backwards. It is not layers. There is no layers. There is only one single layer. But we feel that colors are coming little near me or far away me. And when you use blue color, for example, blues, if you try blues and see what happens to the blue, does it look like a shallow, like this color? Is it going back or forward? You see that. Blues goes backwards, means when it is the mostly background, okay, when it is makes 50% here and 50% here, yellow. If you are using yellows, okay, you feel yellow is one step ahead from blues. Okay, you see blues actually they're not in the same level when you see them. I feel like yellow is the top color and blue is the background color. That's what happens to our, like our brain will do this. This tricky thing is done in your brain. It's an illusion. They both are in the same level actually. It's an illusion created by your brain. So colors create illusions also. Play with that when it is useful. Okay. So that's about colors, color combinations. When you're designing, use these color schemes or use your own color schemes, customize them as per your feeling. Like whichever you feels good, use them. Okay, feel free to use the colors. So that's about color theory. Okay. And tomorrow we'll start designing using titles and everything. Any doubts, guys? No doubts? Sleeping? No? Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye. Tomorrow is working, right? Which day? Friday. See you then. Bye.